Hello students. So you all have read the gender of nouns definitions and these words. Now we will solve some questions. See, circle the correct words. First, my uncle and dash threw a party last week. Aunt or aunties. What will be the correct word? Uncle, aunt. So we will circle on the aunt. My cousin or cousin brother received the guest. What we will write? Cousin brother, cousin sister. Like we say? No. We just say my cousin. So cousin is the correct word. The food was prepared by a famous cook or cookess. Cook is the common gender noun. It can be a male or it can be a female. Cook. Cook is the person who prepares the food. Two pairs of peacocks and peacockess peahens were hopping around in the lawn. Two pairs of peacocks. Peacocks, feminine word is peahen. We don't say peacockess. This is the wrong word. Peahens are the feminine word for peacock. Some of us came dressed as witches and witches or wizard. It is the wizards. Now next, choose and write the correct gender nouns to complete the table. Here table is given. Some missing words are there that are on the above. So we just have to fill it. So let's see. First is wizard, witch. It is already done. Second is heroine. Feminine word is heroine. So what will be the masculine? Male. It is the hero. Next is feminine queen. Masculine will be king. King, queen. Husband, wife. Hen. What is the masculine word for hen? It is the cock. Cock, hen. Nephew, niece. Prince, princess. Now lioness. What is the masculine? Lion. Masculine word is gander and feminine word will be goose. It is the water animal. Drake, duck. Ram. What is the feminine word for ram? Eve. Now what are ram? It is the ship. Masculine word for ship is ram and feminine word is Eve. Now vixen. What is the masculine word? That is the fox. Fox, vixen. Tomcat, cat. Tiger, tigress. Now circle the common gender nouns. Which are the common gender nouns here? So let's start. Enemy, yes, it is the common gender. Why? It may be a man or woman. Man, it is the masculine. Dog, masculine. Pilot, common gender. Minister, it is the common gender. Minister. Boy, masculine. Friend, common gender. Friend can be a girl or friend can be a boy. Neighbor, it is the common gender. Brother, masculine. Buffalo, it is the feminine. Host, can be a common. Beggar, beggar is also the common. Duck, feminine. Niece, feminine. Vixen, feminine. Poet, it is the poet is the masculine. Feminine word for poet is poetess. Now let us listen. Listen carefully and draw lines to match correctly. Now see, here picture is given. This is a house and family members are working. So we will read the sentences. My father and my mother are my. My parents' parents are my. My uncles and my aunts are my. My brother and my sister are my. My uncle's children are my. And here options are given: siblings, cousins, grandparents, parents, relations. So let us see. My father and my mother are my. What will be the answer? Parents. So we will draw the line parents. My parents' parents are my. Parents' parents are my grandparents. My uncles and my aunts are my relations. My brother and my sister are my siblings. My uncle's children are my cousins. Children of uncle, aunties are known as cousins, but our own brothers, sisters are known as siblings. Now see next question. Work in pairs. One of you should read out the sentence. The other should say the sentence using the opposite gender of the underlined noun. Then change roles. See here some sentences are given. Underlined words are the gender nouns. Now what we have to do? We have to change into opposite gender. Suppose there were kings living in palaces in the past. Now we have to change the gender. How will we write it? There were queens living in palaces in the past. We just have to change the gender of the underlined noun. The husband bakes very good cakes and puddings. What will be the opposite gender? The wife bakes very good cakes and puddings. We saw pictures of gods in the book. We saw pictures of goddess in the book. Mr. Lal's niece is a famous artist. Opposite gender, Mr. Lal's nephew is a famous artist. The lion kept watch outside his den. The lioness kept watch outside his den. We will write this in notebook. But first of all, you complete this and write this first question also. Complete it.